In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert USDT to TRON on Trust Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Trust Wallet. You can either do it as an extension like me over here, or you can just open it up on your phone. The process is going to be very similar. Now, once you've done this, first you want to make sure you have all the networks available, and you want to click on this network filter up here and make sure all networks is selected over here. Once you do this, simply go over here where it says swap, and this is basically where you can convert different crypto. So just click on swap, and then you want to select from, and then you want to look for USDT. So click on that, and under search crypto, type in USDT. Then once you find it, you can just select USDT over here, this one USDT, Tether USD on the BNB Smart Chain is the one, so you want to click on this. And then over here, you have two, and then BNB Smart Chain, you have to select a token. You want to type in TRON. And there we go, TRON is over here indeed. Click on that, and then you can just type in the amount. So for example, let's say I'd like to convert $10. 10 USDT, and then there we go, I'm gonna get about 37 TRON. Okay, so once you do this, if you actually have sufficient balance, which I do not right now, you'll be able to click approve USDT, and then after you do this, you will simply swap your USDT to TRON. Okay, so just make sure you know this down here. There's also a provider fee, and yeah, it gives you a minimum amount you will definitely receive. So that's pretty much that. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.